Have you ever wondered how to elevate your teaching methods? Today, we explore pedagogical frameworks. They are vital for effective instruction and assessment. A robust framework enhances learning experiences and promotes lifelong learning. We'll cover three main areas. First, the scholarship of teaching. It examines and formalizes educators' professional practices. This reflection enriches teaching dynamics. Next, we look at research-validated instructional approaches. These are strategies backed by empirical findings. They ensure effective practices in classrooms. Finally, we discuss assessment strategies. They include standards-based assessments, reasoning standards, and lifelong learning standards. These tools align assessments with student learning goals. Let's break these down step by step. First, the scholarship of teaching. It encourages teachers to analyze their methods. This step creates a framework for continuous improvement. Teachers reflect on theories, practices, and outcomes. This self-study fosters a deeper understanding. Next, we have research-validated instructional approaches. These strategies stem from extensive academic research. They guide educators toward effective teaching practices. For example, formative assessments inform teaching on the spot. Next, let's explore assessment strategies. Standards-based assessments focus on specific learning targets. They ensure clarity and precision in evaluating student performance. Reasoning standards develop critical thinking skills. These are essential for success in a complex world. Finally, lifelong learning standards promote continuous personal growth. For example, encouraging students to self-assess fosters a growth mindset. To illustrate, imagine a teacher using these frameworks. They analyze student needs and adjust their methods accordingly. Research-backed strategies enhance learning engagement. Carefully designed assessments measure mastery and growth. In summary, pedagogical frameworks are foundational. They support effective teaching, meaningful assessment, and lifelong learning. Reflect on your teaching practices through these lenses. Begin to apply these frameworks in your classroom today. Are you ready to enhance your teaching and learning experience? This is your call to action. Start exploring these frameworks today.